G'day everyone, in this product review we're going to look at the LiveTrack Nomad. The Nomad features a rechargeable battery with up to 14 days of battery life, so you don't need to hardwire the unit in. It features an IP rating of 67, which is waterproof and dustproof, so it can withstand the elements. It's 100% portable, so you can change it between your car, motorbike, boat or anything else. Now the great thing about this Nomad is it comes with the iCar app. Now this is fantastic for guys that want to really monitor their bikes. If you've got your bike in the garage, it has a geofence, which means it's just a tracker around the bike. So if the bike gets knocked or if it's actually been stolen, then you'll get an alert on your phone and your phone will tell you the bike's been moved, and then you're going to be able to track where that bike goes, so you've got a very good chance of getting your bike back if it does get stolen. This is a great piece of kit. It's very easy to put on your bike and hide it on your bike, and of course for the cost of probably 1 year's insurance you can buy one of these. The other great thing that I find about this is if you're out riding in the bush and God forbid you might go by yourself, it's easy for one of your family members to track where you are. If you've stayed still for a couple of hours, maybe at the pub, maybe not at the pub, you might have fallen off, but the problem is your wife will be able to track you down and find out where you are, and that's a good thing, because if you have fallen off, they'll be able to locate where you are and get some help to you. So it's a good little piece of kit. Why not check it out? It's worth investing in.